XRP holders, I've got a video for you guys. Bitcoin reaches all-time highs, yet XRP is chopping around and being sluggish and slowing down. What's going on? We're going to be talking about that. Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Black C. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop on this video. All right, guys. So over on Crypto Twitter, I made a little bit of a post here. I says, Bitcoin hits new highs and XRP feels sluggish. Be patient. I have news for you, Ripple and XRP holders. When Bitcoin dominance breaks down and we get altcoin season, I expect XRP to send. And I do believe that, guys. I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm in a $200,000 XRP long position right now, okay? I am going to continually add to that position underneath $3. I think that $3 is the price target because I think that in the end of 2025, we should see fireworks for altcoins. I think we should see Bitcoin dominance break down and see XRP make big moves to the upside. When you look at XRP right now, we are trading below my entry. I will say I am a little bit in the red on my trade, which was once a $15,000 in the profit. Right now, I lowered my stop loss because I don't really want to exit this trade just yet. I think that we're not getting ready to break down. I think that really we could come down all the way to, say, $2.28, $2.29, and still hold and maintain this structure, this bullish price structure. But guys, you do see markets every see red money flow coming out, potentially for more sideways, maybe even to the downside price action. But all in all here, guys, it's just a short-term hiccup in my opinion. Bitcoin is at all-time highs, all right? The market got spooked by tariffs again, and what happened after the first time the market got spooked by tariffs? We saw a big sell-off followed by a great big recovery, okay? So honestly, I'm viewing this as an opportunity, and I'm going to be adding to my position. If you guys do want to enter a XRP long, or you want to just trade this volatility, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing and how I'm trading these markets. Feel free to check out in the description box below or pin comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin. All you have to do is click that link, deposit, Trailbit. You get a bunch of free money, as well as if you deposit $100, you get $10 for free of XRP. Guys, you got to take advantage of these promotions when the market is hot, because this is how you really capitalize on this short window of time when the crypto market is mooning. And I do think that we are at that window of time here. And sure, we might trade sideways for a little bit, but I do think that into the end of 2025, there'll be fireworks. And right now I'm in a Pepe 75X long position. I'm 336% gain. It was a $170 trade, and I'm up $575. Guys, this is the type of trades that I'm doing right now. Yes, I have my more serious long-term trades, like my XRP trade, which is $200,000 is open. Only 10x leverage, and I'm going to be kind of really managing that position. Like if it does get stopped out, it's going to be stopped out in the profit. But these types of trades I try to take advantage of as well during this time, because you can catch big runners. You know, yeah, sure, 75x leverage. If it dips like 1% from my entry, it's gone. But if you're willing to use money or not afraid to lose, you can actually catch some big moves. At one point, this was a 1,000% gain, but I asked you guys, should I keep this position open? In the comments, you guys said, yes, keep it open. I said, you know what? Yeah, it's fine. You know, I have no problem doing that. But guys, I'm really trying to capitalize on this market right now. And right now, you see XRP sitting at rank 4, down by 2.25% in the past 7 days. Really, guys, it's weekend price action, so don't expect much. You should expect this kind of weak, low volume, thin order book type of price action. And you look at XRP, we're seeing a $135.7 billion market cap. It's quiet, you know, 24-hour volume, $1.5 billion, down 65%. Like I said, it's the weekend price action. It's a holiday weekend as well. It's going to be quiet, all right? But that being said, Bitcoin trading at $108,000, like $3,000 off all-time highs, okay? We tested all-time highs. I do not expect a clean break of highs. Like, I expected a rejection off. It's exactly what we're getting right now. But really what you need to be paying attention to is Bitcoin dominance. Like what I said at the beginning of this video, follow me at 3the3BlackC on Twitter. I'm very active over there. You can really be the first people to see what I'm thinking about the markets. Guys, Bitcoin dominance, 63%. I expect this to break down into the end of 2025. I expect this to get into the 50%, 58, 55. If we can even get into the 40s, you're going to be seeing XRP make big moves. I think if we see Bitcoin dominance in the 40s again, you should expect XRP to be around $5, especially if Bitcoin is holding over $100,000, because that means there's a ton, billions and billions of dollars of liquidity moving into crypto, and it obviously works like a filter down, it's a trickle down effect. So what's right below Bitcoin, guys? Well, you have Ethereum, Tether. What's after that? XRP. Okay, so I do expect big money to flow in here. And you look at Bitcoin right now, we're doing exactly what I predicted to happen is happening right now. We came up, we tested all-time highs, we rejected down, and I expect chop around here. I expect us to come up here, test it, just do some of this, and then eventually break above it. As long as, okay, pay attention here, as long as the Fed does pivot into the end of 2025 and this tariff talk gets digested, and I think it will get digested, and I think you couple it with the Federal Reserve getting ready to pivot, I expect fireworks, guys. I'm bullish here on XRP. Guys, I put my money where my mouth is. I'm in a $200,000 XRP long position, and I'm going to continue to keep it open. I'm going to manage it. I'm going to add to it underneath $3, and let's see what happens if we can get to $5 with that trade open. It's very exciting times. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.